Well, we're at it again with another Renovo FYI tip of the week. This week we're going to be creating a report that's got a percentage of revenue type of column. And we're going to do this by using the function assign row values. Now for those that use FRX, you might be familiar with the CBR or change base row function in FRX. This is a very similar feature here in Renovo FYI. Alright, let's start by looking at the report result, what we're going to be building here. And this is an income statement, and it's got a month-to-date column and then a percentage of revenue column. So this is what we're going to develop. So to create this type of report, you need to design both in the row and in the column. And in the row definition, what we're going to do is we're going to create a assign row value type of row based on this net sales. So we're going to right click here and we're going to insert a row above, and we will select the row type of assign RV, which is similar to the CBR and FRX. Then we're going to put the calculation in where we say 1 equals and then the row that we want to base this on or assign. In this case row 140, which is my net sales. Now in Renovo you can have multiple assignments. You can do 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So that's pretty nice. Alright, let's go back, and now we're going to place that column in. So I'm going to go to my column definition, and here in this template I've got just a period to date actual column, and we're going to insert a column to the right to put the percentage of revenue column in. This is going to be a calculation type of column. And in the calculation formula, I'm going to put in the formula for the assign row value, which is the squiggly bracket RV for row value, and then which row value placeholder, which we use number 1, and then which column, which is B, that it's going to look for the value from. Now for our report, we wanted to do percentage of, so it needs to do a divided by. So we're going to say column B, the actual is divided by the net revenue. And then I'm just going to change the formatting here to a percentage. And so that's how you do it. So you've got this formula, and we're just going to save it. And so that's the key here, is the formula in the column. So let's go back and we're going to run this report just to see our results here. And there we go. There's our percentage of revenue column. Now you can use this assign row value function for other things besides just percentage of revenue or percentage of operating expense type of reports. You can use it for statistical reports as well, to do things like pulling a statistical value and doing, say, dollars per bed or dollars per patient days. So that's another common use of the assign row value function. So I hope now you can see how to create a percentage of revenue type of report using the assign row value feature. It's a lot like the CBR function in FRX, except you get a little bit more flexibility because you can have multiple row assignments in a single row definition. For more information, you can look in the developer guide. Chapter 11 is dedicated to this row assignment function. Thanks for watching again, guys, and stay tuned next week for another Renovo FYI tip of the week.